Hi students, in this video I am going to explain about the tongue. Tongue. So we know it is the part of the buccal cavity or oral cavity. So what are the parts of the buccal cavity? Teeth, tongue, palate and salivary glands. So tongue, right? Where it is present, tongue is situated or it is present floor of the buccal cavity. It is situated floor of the buccal cavity. So it is muscular and freely organs, muscular, freely, okay now, sense organ, and this tongue attached to the oral cavity by a fold of tissue known as frenulum. Anteriorly free and posteriorly becomes attached to the floor of the oral cavity by a thin folded tissue that is known as frenulum. So where it is present, it is situated floor of the buccal cavity and it is muscular, freely sense organ. Clear? Right. So when we look at the diagram of tongue, posteriorly becomes broad and anteriorly like narrow. Right. It is the diagram of tongue and these are the what arrangement of papillas. Arrangement of the papillas, right. So when we look at the surface of the tongue, okay now. So when we look at the surface of the tongue, contains the number of papillas. Number of papillas which bears taste buds. Taste buds. Okay now. So in our tongue, there are 4 different types of papillas. Okay now. There are 4 different types of papillas. So what are that 4 different types of papillas means? First, fungiform papilla, then filiform papilla, okay, then circumvallate papilla and foliate papilla. Okay now. So in our tongue, there are 4 different types of papillas which are distributed or arranged in different part of the tongue. So first type of papillas are the fungiform papillas. So when we look at the fungiform papillas, so fungiform papillas are here anterior margins of the tongue. Okay now, anterior margins of the tongue as well as the tip of the tongue. So these are the fungiform papilla. Fungiform papilla. So these fungiform papillas are smaller in size. Okay now, smaller in size And when we look at the shape of the fungiform papilla, like mushroom shape. Okay, now mushroom shape. Okay. So where they are arranged, fungiform papillas are arranged anterior margin as well as the tip of the tongue. So these are smaller in size, and the shape of the papillas are the mushroom shaped papillas. Clear? Right. Then next, second type of papillas are the filiform papilla. So where they are distributed? So filiform papillas are distributed entire surface of the tongue. Okay, now entire surface of the tongue. So these are the filiform papilla. Okay, now filiform papilla, which are very small in size. Compared with other papillas, filiform papillas are the very small in size. And when we look at the shape of the filiform papilla, just like pointed, okay, pointed like a thread like, okay, pointed and a thread like this type. Okay, now so these are the maximum in number. Okay, now compare with other papillas, filiform papillas are the maximum in number. They are very small in size. That is second type of papillas, filiform papillas. Then third type of papillas are the circumvallate papillas. Circumvallate papillas are the, which shape here? Circular shape. Okay, now which shape? Circular shape. So where they are arranged? Base of the tongue. It is the base of the tongue. Base of the tongue. So these are the circumvallate papilla, papilla. Okay, now so compare with other papillas, circumvallate papillas are very few in number. Okay, now very few in number, and the shape of the circumvallate papillas are the circular in shape, and where they are distributed at the base of the tongue or the posterior part of the tongue. So when we look at the shape of the circumvallate papilla, so the circumvallate papillas are arranged inverted V shape. Okay, now which shape? Inverted V shape, like this type. Inverted V shape. Very few in number, right? Third type of papilla, circumvallate papilla. Then next, fourth type of papilla are the foliate papilla. So where they are present? Here. Lateral sides of posterior. Okay, now lateral sides of posterior, 1/3 of the tongue. Lateral sides of posterior, 1/3 of the tongue. Foliate papilla. Foliate papilla. Right. So here, taste buds are very limited in this papillas. Okay, now compare with other papillas, here taste buds are lack of taste buds. Taste buds are very limited in this type of papillas. Remember, 4 different types of papilla. Fungiform papilla, first anterior margin and the tip of the tongue, mushroom shape, small in size. Okay. Then filiform papilla, entire surface of the tongue, filiform papilla. Okay, now very small in size, the smallest papillas, and their count is maximum, and pointed thread-like structure. Then circumvallate papilla, arranged base of the tongue or the posterior part of the tongue, and circular in shape, very few in number, and arrangement of the circular vallate papilla like inverted V shape. And last, fourth type of papillas are the foliated papillas. So where they are distributed? lateral sides of posterior, 1/3 of the tongue. So these are the 4 different types of papillas. Clear? Right. So here we know the main important function of the tongue. So taste detection. So identification of taste. So due to the presence of what? Taste buds. So here different types of taste buds identify the different taste. For suppose here bitter taste identified taste buds are situated base of the tongue. Bitter. Okay now. So bitter taste identified detection taste buds are situated base of the tongue. Then next tip of the tongue. Okay now. So those taste buds are arranged at the tip of the tongue. They detect which type of taste? Sweet. Sweet. Okay. Then next sides. Those taste buds are situated sides of the tongue like salt as well as the sour. Clear? Right. So here tip of the taste buds also sometimes recognize that salt taste. So these are the, it means different parts of the taste buds, different parts of the taste buds recognize the or identify the different types of taste. It means those taste buds are situated or arranged basal part of the tongue. They identify the which type of taste? Bitter. Okay. And the sweet taste detection, taste buds are situated tip of the tongue, and the sides of the taste buds detect the salt as well as the sour. So it is about a tongue. And finally, so what are the important functions of the tongue? First important function of the tongue, we know taste detection or identification of taste. Taste detection, right? Then next swallowing. Okay now. Then next tongue we can call it as universal toothbrush. Okay now, universal toothbrush. Universal toothbrush. Why we can call it as universal toothbrush? Means it always keeps clean of our teeth. Okay, right. So that's why we can call it as universal toothbrush. Then next important function, mixing of food. Mixing of food with saliva. So these are the 4 important functions of the tongue. Clear? Papillas, 4 different types of papillas and their shape. Okay now. And these are the different types of taste detection taste buds. Clear? Right.